Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have Purify from doTERRA. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all, it's a 15 milliliter bottle. That's about 250 drops of essential oil. So a ton of essential oil in this bottle. The bottle looks great and it just smells really, really awesome. It provides like a really nice refreshing aroma. It's very, very fresh. It's very, very kind of sweet. It has a lot of really nice essentials in here, guys, like lemon, Siberian Fir, Citronella, tea tree, and cilantro. It kind of smells like a one of these air fresheners, but it's a more natural air freshener, so I really like that about this. This can be used in a diffuser, topically, and there's just so many different ways to use this oil, guys. And I just love how this oil smells. It just smells amazing. My favorite thing about this, guys, just has to be the fact that it's from doTERRA, and doTERRA does so much work and so much testing on their products to make sure that what the bottle says is in here is actually in the bottle. Not a lot of other companies actually do that, so I really appreciate that. It gives me the confidence to be able to use this, and just the fact that it just smells so amazing, guys. I just love putting this in a diffuser and letting this go in the house. It just makes your house smell so amazing, and it's like, it's just, I don't know, it's hard to explain the actual smell, but when you use this, you're never going to want to use any other essential oil to refresh in your house ever again. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.